SSP Series Staff Training. Making a sachet pack. The process for making dose packs is similar to blister pack foil printing, but there are a few things to double-check before exporting. In Tonic's main menu, select Prescriptions. Enter the patient's name and RX code. Press F6 to choose dose pack and create your patient's dose pack as usual. After creating a dose pack for a patient, select the type based on the patient's dosage times. For patients with up to 4 dosing times, please choose the option JKR 4 weeks 4 doses. For patients with up to 9 dosing times, please choose the option JKR 4 weeks 9 doses. Please make sure to select the option that matches the patient's prescription. Please choose the start day and date for the pack. If the start day is not set, Tonic will prompt you to enter these details again. Please make sure that the day and date match. The dosing matrix must not contain any special symbols. Instead, you can use letters and numbers together, such as pre-break or 8 a.m. Here are some examples to break down what you can and cannot do. You can use numbers and letters together, letters without spaces, dashes between letters, and slashes between letters. You must not have spaces between numbers, colons between numbers, brackets or colons, dashes between numbers, or spaces between letters. If you do any of these things, this will cause errors when sending the order to your machine. So please be careful when editing your dosing times. After verifying these steps, press F9 to print, and E to export to Credim. The timetable will display the schedule cycles. Select an option based on the patient's needs. For weekly patients, select the cycle for a week. If you want to dispense a specific dosing time of a specific day, you can also do that here. Simply click on the cell corresponding to the specific dosing time, and then press F7 to select current. You can also click and drag to select specific days of the week, and then press F7 to confirm your selection. If there are some days or dosing times that you want to exclude from your selection, you can click and drag to select the cells you don't want, and then press F10 to clear current. You can also easily customize an order to dispense a specific day of each week. For example, if you wanted to dispense an order for Thursday for 4 weeks, you can click on a cell for Thursday, and then press F4 to select day. Then, Tonic will prompt you to press 1 to select just the current day, or press 2 to select every occurrence of that day. So if you wanted to dispense an order for every Thursday for 4 weeks, you can press 2. But if you change your mind and decide to start over, you can press F11 to clear all. For 4-week patients, press F8 to select all. Once everything is set, press F12 to export. Tonic will confirm successful export to the computer name. Then, you will see the order appear in JAS. To send the order to your machine, click on it to select it. Then click the Dispense button. The order will be sent to your machine tablet, known as JAK. Back in JAS, you can click the Show Device button. This opens a side panel. From there, you can view and control your machine directly from your dispensary computer. For example, if you forgot to press Run on the JAK tablet, you can click Run inside the device panel in JAS. Your machine will then start dispensing orders automatically. Please note that JAS also allows you to remotely open drawers, such as the MDT drawer. However, we strongly recommend avoiding this, unless you are completely certain that there is no one nearby that could be startled or injured.